Hello and welcome to BotPenguin. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can save your chat with the user and why would you need to do it. So let's just open a chat first. This is my inbox. Select a chat. Okay, so as a business owner, by looking at this interaction, I feel that this is an important interaction and I want to keep it for as long as I want so that I can come back referring to this chat whenever I need to. But the BotPenguin dashboard keeps all the chats only for a maximum of 90 days. And after 90 days, the chat details will be lost. So now what you can do is, for all the important interactions, you can save the entire chat that has happened. And how you can do it? Do you see a button here? Chat transcript it says. And when you click on this button, this will allow you to download the entire chat in the form of a transcript. So let's click on download. So here you can view the chat transcript and click here to download it. It will be saved as a PDF and then click on save. So one thing I want to tell you here that when you're saving the file, just make sure that you're naming it in a proper format so that it will be easier for you to refer this chat once you are referring all the earlier records of your chats for your future purposes. And that's it for today's video.